In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a refund in QuickBooks Online. Now, to do this, you basically have to use a refund receipt when a customer returns an item or cancels a service, and you are immediately giving them their money back, like cash, check, or credit card, or whatever, okay? So you want to go to Create top left, and then from here you can see under Customers, you can find Refund Receipt. So just click on Refund Receipt over here, and then from the customer drop down, you want to select your customer. So I'm just going to select this one over here. I have some demo data in here, by the way, so you can don't worry about that. And then over here, you can essentially, of course, fill in the email, a billing address, refund receipt date, stuff like this. And then, of course, here you have to select the payment method. So we're just going to do, let's say it was cash in our case. And then here it's going to say basically refund from, and you have to choose the account. I'm going to do a checking over here. And then here you can, of course, set your check number as well. And then down here, you can basically see it says products and service, and you can go ahead and basically select the items that are being returned, okay? So I'm gonna go to over here and click on, for example, design. There we go. And we're gonna go one more thing, like for example, let's do this pump over here, okay? And let's say that's essentially it. Then what you have to do here, you can of course add messages, attachments, stuff like that, and then just click on save or save and close over here, and you are good to go, okay? So that's essentially how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.